What's up, guys? What's up, girls? What's up, dudes, dudettes, sirs, zis, they, there, whatever your pronoun is? Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are going to be messing a little bit with the Honda. Gonna go start it up right now in a little bit just to kind of get it warmed up. Hopefully gonna be doing the, I don't know what I planned. The engine bay cleaning video, possibly. Yeah, but I need to go and drive it around because it has been sitting for like 2 weeks. So, without further ado, give me 1 sec. I'll see you guys in the car. All right, so here we are in the Civic. Yeah, so probably gonna go take it to the car wash. But to be honest, I'm a little worried that it may or may not start. So let's go ahead and try. Ooh, started right up. Well, it appears that we're not going to be doing an engine bay cleaning video because I do not know why the check engine light is on. So I am going to go ahead and figure out what's going on with the car, and maybe we can make a video out of it. Opportunist, yeah, opportunist, yeah. Alright guys, so here's the deal. I had one of my friends lend me his diagnostic tester, that little diagnostic computer for the that you basically connect to your car to figure out what's wrong with it. The code that popped up was the coolant temperature sensor, so hopefully that's all that's wrong with it, because if not, it's gonna really suck, especially since winter's right around the corner, and I don't want to be driving the BRZ in the winter because of the fact that my wheel setup is not ready for the snow, and these are pretty much brand new tires, so I'm not trying to go and buy another set of $800 tires, you know. But anyways, yeah, so that is the only issue with the Civic right now. I was actually having some issue at startup. It was taking a second to start up, and it sounded like maybe there wasn't enough fuel, but I read online that the coolant temperature sensor can cause that issue while the car's not warmed up. So hopefully that's all it is, because if not, I'm gonna cry, and then after I'm done crying, I'm gonna record a ton of videos, and we're probably gonna be on to a series, so that's cool. I'm heading to AutoZone right now and getting the sensor. Gonna probably do a video on the replacement tomorrow morning, just because it's already getting a little bit later. The sun's going down. It's already 5 o'clock over here, so I will see you guys in the morning, and stay up, guys. Deuces. Yo, what's up, guys? Alrighty, so it is the next day. In the afternoon, I had some things I had to do this morning, and I think I'm getting sick, so I'm gonna go ahead and go out and work on the Honda. Try and get that done, at least so I can do something productive today. With that being said, let's go ahead and go to the Honda. Alright, so here we are. Going to be replacing the coolant temperature sensor. Let's go ahead and take a look. It is right there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, so it's right here, very easy to access. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of scared because there's a bunch of spider webs and stuff, so I don't want to get bitten by a spider. But as you can see, the engine bay is extremely dirty, so I'm gonna have to clean this a little bit later, not today, just because I want to get this done. All right, so before we start, there's a few things you're gonna need. Gloves, right? Gloves, check. You want some paper towels or the shop towels, that we can catch some of the fluid that's gonna fall out. Check. And then you need a 19mm socket and wrench, preferably a deep socket. That way you can actually reach the surface of the sensor, or the actual like little nut part of it. I'll go ahead and show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like, right? So yeah, that's what we're going to be installing today. And yeah, so it's not going to be hard at all. Just want to go ahead and throw it out there. That way if anybody else needs to see how to fix that, they can. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and put everything on, get everything ready, and then go ahead and start removing it. All right, so right here there is a pigtail. Let me go ahead and get it out real quick. Get you a little bit closer. You can see right here is a pigtail, and that is a sensor. Gonna be moving you guys around just a little bit. And again, deep socket. That way you can get to. Actually, one sec, almost forgot. Gonna need the shop towel, because there is gonna be quite a bit of coolant that's gonna fall. So we need to catch it with something. I have a drip tray, but I really don't want to use it, to be completely honest. So we're just gonna do a quick little swap. Gonna drip a little bit, but it's all good. We'll just do a quick little the old switcheroo, you know what I'm saying? And let's get this bad boy off. Okay, this hose is in the way. There we go, broke it loose. Alright, so here I'm removing the sensor, but I'm not taking it off completely because I don't want the coolant to start spilling out of the hole. Alright, so I have already taken off the pigtail. I have loosened up the sensor. Sensor's right there. I already loosened it up. Now it's you can remove it with your hand. So we're gonna go ahead and try and do the old switcheroo, you know what I'm saying? Alright, there's gonna be a lot of fluid to drip out, so I'm gonna try and do this pretty quick. And go. Alright. And this is exactly why you need the gloves, because coolant is toxic, so you can actually absorb it through your skin and you could eventually get cancer. Dropped a little bit, not a lot, just a couple drops, which is good. That's why we had the towel, so that's awesome. It is seated in. Just gonna go ahead and tighten it up. Here is the old one. I don't know if you guys can see that. Old, gross, probably never been changed as long as this car has been in existence. So just gonna go ahead and finish up. So when you re-tighten the sensor, make sure that you don't go too tight. It should be about 17 foot-pounds of pressure, or until it's snug. There we go, and it worked. Well, hopefully it works, but we got it replaced. So let's throw the pigtail back on. If I can find it, wherever it's at. There it is. Just pull the towel out, do a little bit of wipe down from around the area. Make sure that the sensor is clean. And install the pigtail. Is it in? Yeah, that's pretty in. Didn't click, so, but it's in, so that's good. All right, here is the moment of truth. About to turn on the Civic, and hopefully the check engine light is gone. Really nervous, to be completely honest. Well, the good thing is that it did not have any trouble starting up whatsoever. The bad thing is the check engine light's still on. I don't really know what it could be at this point. Gonna have to go get it re-diagnosed, I guess, and see what codes pop up, because the only one that popped up the first time was the code for the coolant temperature sensors. So this is really unfortunate, but I mean, at least it started up without any issues. It's idling perfectly fine. Before I did have a little bit of issue startup with idle until it warmed up, but now it's good, so that's good. Damn, dude, this really sucks, man. I was really hoping that was it and I could move on to other things, but it is what it is. But yeah, if all else fails, I'll just daily the BRZ, just boost the Civic and blow it up. But until next time, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this. Peace out.